Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Houseplants. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of April 2022 in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so for April, as you know, I always like to put a little bit of flair on my index page. So these cute little rain boots and umbrellas are from the Happy Planner Seasonal Stick Babes book. I figured April showers, so that's what that's for. I thought those were kind of bright and colorful, kind of cute. And then flipping into the highlights page, this beautiful little kit is from Ever Changing Plans. It's their April monthly. I just used my Post-it notes here to cover up some things that I wanted to keep private. So here, this is all from the kit. I loved this little deco piece, so I just framed it in this circle here. These two circles here I used to just kind of put like big highlight things. Emma committed to a school for college, so I put that there. And then it was a really busy conference month in April, and I was just happy I survived. Projects I wanted to work on Emma's photo book, which just didn't get done. I wanted to reorganize the playroom, which I think I'm going to try to do in June, like kind of get things organized, because I think I'm going to move where I film into the girls' old playroom. And then I made a bunch of graduation lays. There were, I think, 6 girls that I made the little ribbon lays for. So I got all those done. Our things to remember, April was very busy, as I mentioned. I had a bunch of work conferences all stacked in one week. And then the very next day after the last conference, we went on a short trip to San Diego. So that was really fun. Breaking Bad was what I was binging through the whole month. I pretty much didn't watch anything but that. Was listening to 3 Spooked Girls and Crime Junkie. And then I didn't really do any reading in April. I have a couple of books to start, but I just didn't get to it. So there was a lot to journal about. So I started here in my things to remember and then just carried on through here. So our trip to San Diego was really fun. We had a great time. Sophie actually did her 4th grade mission project. It's something we do here in California Public Schools. On the mission in San Diego. And so we got to go visit, and she was said, "Mom, my 4th grade self is so happy." So it was really sweet. We went to the big zoo that they're famous for. We spent time on the beach. It was really fun. These cute little bunnies, these are from a freebie from Simply Smith Stickers, I believe. This one, yeah, I think they were both from that same freebie. Anyways, I love this kit. You'll see as we turn into the monthly view. This is just so darling. And I love this kind of taupey color. I just thought it was so cool. So most of all of this is from the kit. My scripts here for the holidays, these are from Fern Creek Stickers. She has a sheet of scripts that are just the holidays, and I really like them for this monthly view. This Fern Creek Stickers new release is obviously from Fern Creek Stickers as well. But these boxes here all came from the kit. As you can see here, the last 2 weeks of April were super busy. And of course, the first 2 weeks was just leading into that. I loved all the patterns in this kit. So cute. Okay, so this was a non-used week. That's the duplicate week. And then this first week here, this is a Fern Creek Stickers kit. It's kit 106 and it's called Twilight Garden. I loved this. This was actually, I got this kit when I was on the PR team, so I think it was kind of like intended for February, but I held off on using it, and I really love sort of the darker kind of moody colors to it. The to-dos are from Fern Creek Stickers. The Otis's Meds are from Saya, as are the scripts here in my habits. Those are from Saya. But the habit tracker box is from Orange Umbrella Co., which I thought really coordinated quite well. All of my time stickers here are from Phoenix Plans. This staff meeting is from Ever Changing Plans. And then these little icons here came from the kit, but this is a Nicole Hutch Designs mixed script. And then let's see, what else do I have in here? This is from the kit. Oh, this little guy here is from Big Elephant Plans. So I was tracking my rings from my Apple Watch here down below. I kind of like how that's working out, and then just kind of tracking my steps. I really didn't do much walking in like set walks, like workout walks, so to speak, during the month of April. So I just started recording my steps there. But I loved all the, look at how pretty these boxes are. Isn't that pretty? So we did a couple college tours here this week. Oh, this little edit and upload. So these scripts are from Saya, but this little icon here is from Big Elephant Plans as well. So that's this one. We started Otis's food trial here on the 7th. So we've been doing like an allergy testing. And so the first thing we did was his food. He's just about done with it. So what I'll do is I'll like try chicken with him and try beef and see if that spurs any itching. But we basically took him off all meats except for salmon. So we'll see how that goes. Now, week 2, if this looks familiar, it's the same patterns as my monthly, but this kit is called Sweet Bunnies, and it's from Orange Umbrella Co. It's kit 132. I loved this pattern so much that I shared between the two shops, and I did the monthly from Ever Changing Plans, and then I did the weekly from Orange Umbrella Co. So just trying to spread the love to all my favorite shops. A lot of it is from the kit, so in a lot of things, you know, I use the same week to week. The to-do, the Otis Meds, and these scripts here for my habits, that's all from Saya Planning. The habit tracker box here is Orange Umbrella Co. The times are from Phoenix Plans. This is a Planner Kate sticker here, this script here. And then these quotes are from Simply Smith Stickers. The film here is from Saya Planning. And then this mixed script, this is from the kit. These little deco pieces, this right here and right here, that is from the kit. I bought the deco sheet from this kit. This Happy Easter, though, this is from the monthly kit from Ever Changing Plans. So I loved layering it on the stripe. I thought that was really special. And then this little icon here, of course, I use every other week, is from Big Elephant Plans. So that's this. You can see here, see the mixed script from the kit. They're kind of hard to read because the font is very thin. And so when you use a lighter color, you don't see it as well. Melanie and team at Orange Umbrella Co. have now reformatted this. The mixed scripts on her kits are now all black, so you see them a little bit better. And then this was just the mini kit. So I bought like mini kit sheet 1, sheet 2. I bought the full boxes, and then I bought the deco sheet. So that is the second week. And then going into week 3, we have another Orange Umbrella Co. kit. This is called Happy Clouds. It's kit 120. So most of this is from the kit, but I do have a couple of extras that I added. So the to-dos here are from Fern Creek Stickers. The Otis Meds are from Saya. The little doodle girl here is Planner Kate. My time stickers, of course, are from Phoenix Plans. Habits are from Saya as well, and then the habit tracker box is from Orange Umbrella Co. This little airplane here and here, this is from Planner Kate. This little stick babe here and the vacay script are both from Happy Planner. This canceled is a leftover that I have from an Ever Changing Plans kit. The mixed script here is from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then Budget Time. This is a Fern Creek Stickers mixed script. So just recorded some of our stuff that we did on our vacation here, kind of did some highlighting in the background, tried different things. I do a lot of striping behind, and then this one I just kind of did like my little cross swath like I do up here, and then tracking my rings, the Just Breathe. This is from, I believe this one's from Simply Smith Stickers as well. This was really a fun kit. I loved all the little cute faces that pop up in the stars and then here in the clouds. I thought it was really sweet. I love that. This was so busy because I had major meetings here. Then we immediately left the next day. We were gone. I came home, was home Saturday night, and then left again for a conference. So it was super crazy this week. I kept saying, I just need to survive this week. I just need to survive. But that's that. I love the colors on this. I love how there were like all of these sweet kind of pastel-y colors mixed in with sort of this moody gray here, and then the pops of gold leaves here. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so this is a Planner Kate kit. It's kit 413, and it's called Spring Dreams. I just liked all the yellow, kind of goldish yellow in it. I'm not a super yellow person. My friend Rhiannon from Mama Ree, she loves yellow. But I thought, oh, I want to try this because it was so bright and cheerful. And I loved the mix with pink and gray with it. So really, really fun. So again, lots of familiar things. Times from Phoenix Plans, scripts from Saya, habit tracker box from Orange Umbrella Co. Saya Plans again. These are Planner Kate balloons that I have. This was from the kit. And then wash card. This is a Fern Creek Stickers mixed script here. This is from Nicole Hutch Designs. This is Saya Planning. This is Big Elephant Plans. Again, Big Elephant Plans. And then this little shoe, I believe, is from the kit as well. It's funny because it's the same shoe that Ever Changing Plans does, but Planner Kate does the shoe facing this way. Ever Changing Plans does the shoe facing this way. So that determines which side of the layout I put that shoe on. So I loved how this came out. This was really, really sweet. I love all these prints in the boxes. So cute. And then this is something I do, like I was at a conference, as I mentioned. So what I did was I love these full boxes that are kind of more open for writing, and I love just putting like my whole schedule. So day 1 and day 2 of the conference that I went to, and then I used a half box here for day 3. It was only a half day. So I love how that worked out, so I can remember all the things that I did. These are all from the kit here. These little icons, so cute. And again, just kind of tracking my rings. I kind of like this down here. It's kind of fun because it works perfectly because there's 3 rings on your Apple Watch, and then there's 3 boxes down here. So that's that. And then looking at my Clean Mama. So this is more of that Sweet Bunnies kit from Orange Umbrella Co. These are basic functional boxes from Planner Kate. I believe it's CLR 3 is the code for that. And then all of these scripts are from Phoenix Plans for my Clean Mama. And then I use deco pieces from that leftover deco sheet. So the focus for monthly cleaning was the bathroom. I didn't do a lot of decluttering and like kind of the deep cleaning stuff just because it was so busy this month. I did get the light fixtures dusted. I did clean the shower mats. I replaced the curtain, wiped down the most touched areas. I do that every week though. So I do kind of need to go in there and do a little more declutter. So that was the month in my planner. We'll just kind of flip backwards, back through again for one last look. I loved all these kits. Oh my God, they were so much fun to plan with, and just, I loved all the mix of colors, all kind of different. There's the duplicate week, and then the monthly view, and then the highlights. This is so darling. I just love that. And then my cute little rain boots and umbrellas. All right, let's take a peek at what my social media planner looked like. Okay, so here's the index page for April in my Erin Condren monthly that I use for social media. Believe that you can do more than you thought. I really, really should believe that. So flipping into the monthly view here, this beautiful, beautiful kit is from Lemon and Honey Studio. That's a shop that my friend Megan from Megan B Plans It All turned me onto. I love this watercolor floral, but what was really special about this kit is that it's die cut here. You can see the flowers dip down into these sort of dead boxes. So I love that. Normally, a lot of shops just do like extra washi to cover these boxes with. I love that they dipped down into these boxes with these die cut shapes here of the flowers. So pretty. A lot of this comes from the kit, like all of these scripts, but these boxes here again are those Planner Kate functional boxes that I love to use. Kind of slow on the posting on Instagram. I did do better in April than I did in March, and certainly think better than I have done so far in May. But I got most of my postings up about my videos and that kind of thing. But Instagram, social media was hard to keep up with again because I was so busy with work. So here I just bought some wide washi. This social media is from Saya Plans. The film edit and upload are from Fern Creek Stickers. And again, just tracking my videos and making sure that I can get everything done. And then I love how this came out. These 2 scripts are from Saya Planning. I now have a custom script from Saya that says monthly kits. So I'll be changing that out in my June plan. And then this is what I used for each of my monthlies. So you'll see my Plum paper was the Ever Changing Plans April. My budget planner, I used the Simply Smith for April. And then my social media is the Lemon and Honey Studio, as I mentioned. And then Clean Mama was the Orange Umbrella Co. Sweet Bunnies kit. And then these were each of the weekly kits that we just looked at. And then all of these deco pieces came with the kit. So pretty. And then just here, using all the notes pages for just that, notes. Color swatching, that kind of stuff. So I love how this has all the notes pages. This is really working out so well. Just a monthly. I kind of keep on track. I like to see the monthly view. I like to create my little checklist. my little list of what kits I use, so I know that, and then just having pages for notes. So that's it. So I'll just kind of bring both of them back into view a little bit here. That's it. That's the April flip through for 2022. All right, friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.